Okay, what's up guys, Karekajnr here. So today we will be checking out how it is like to play games, to game on a 10-year-old laptop. So today we will be playing Airsoft Airborne 8. It's a moderate game, and so let's get going. So I just select the game here. So let's try a retro hard one. Okay, so this laptop is 8 years old, and with the current games you might think that an 8-year-old laptop can't game at all, like all games, but that's not true, because this laptop with the moderate games it works well, as you will see in this one. So you will see that it plays just fine with this game. So this game is from the Google, the App Store, the App Store for this type of games. So yeah, let's see. So as you can see, it works just fine. So as the game continues playing, we will come out here and take a look at how the task manager is doing, the speeds. So the game is still playing in the background, and as you can see here, so we will come here and see the performance. So as you will see, the CPU is a little full at 99 to 96%. You can see here it is all the way, and the memory is being used like 2 GB of the 56% of it is being used currently, and it's only the game that's open. So yep, and the hard disk, just 25 to 50% is being used. So it is moderate. Yeah, it is moderate. There are some games that you can't play on this one, definitely, but games that you can get from the store, the Windows store, they are just fine playable. So don't say that you won't play games because you have an old machine. There's definitely always something for everyone. So yep, that's it for this video. And yep, so it is not a must to have like high-end systems, like currently when there is all this shortage for graphics cards, and you can just use an old machine and play some games from the store. So games like the high-end graphics games like GTA 5 and Cyberpunk 2077 won't definitely play on this one. I tried to install one of those games. I think it was Cyberpunk 2077, and yep, it didn't work. It almost crashed the machine actually. So yeah, don't even try that one. So anyway, thanks guys for watching. I really hope to see you in the next video. It's been your guy Karekajnr. So yep, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and ring the notification bell, and then share. You can share the videos, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Karekajnr signing out. Peace.